today I'll teach you how to convert your saree into a dress. For that you need a blouse, a skirt and a saree. You need the normal length of the saree. Now you take the end of the saree and tie it around your neck. The length of the cowl depends on how much fabric you take, so you have to check how much you would need. Make sure the knot is tight at the back of your neck. Now you need to check whether the length is enough or whether you need to make it more deeper or longer. So for that you will need to take extra fabric. If you're happy with the desired length, then you can continue with the rest of the drape. Take the fabric around the body. Now I'm just taking it up here so that you can understand the inside drape. So take the rest of the fabric and tuck it in your skirt. Just like how you would tuck it in your saree petticoat, like how you tuck the saree in the saree petticoat. You could add some pins over here so that you feel a little safe. The back would look. You can see the knot, the blouse and the drape. Now take the rest of the fabric from beneath the top layer, pass it through and let it go from your back to the front of your neck and let it come back. Make sure the drape at the back looks like an overlapping skirt, so that your inner skirt is also covered. Take this now around and then leave it as a trail. You could take it around as many times depending on how much length you want. This is how it will look when it's at the back. Just make sure that you adjust the front also very well. Now to look at know how it will look at the sides. This is how it will look on the sides. If you wanted a little fitted look, you could use a belt. Now since the inner that I've used here is black, I've taken a black belt. It depends on what you want. So this is the look. It's still not done. Now you can have a look at the back, like how it looks. This entire back look. The look is still not complete. We need to tuck in the extra fabric from the inner layer and adjust it to the length of the dress. And this is how it will look finally.